Welcome, welcome, ladies, to starting your week right. This is Marlis from Craft One Life, Career and Family United. Today, I want to share with you how to make sure that every Monday turns into a happy Monday and what you can do already in Sunday evening to prepare the best week ahead. On Sunday evening, my family and I sit together during dinner time and prepare together our meal plans for the week. Now, what I found as a working mom is that the time when you come home after work and you've just picked up your kids and you probably had a very busy day at work, your kids are cranky, they're exhausted and tired, and then you find yourself standing in the kitchen, scratching your head, oh my God, what am I going to do for dinner tonight? So that is a moment of mental overload that is not really necessary, and we can find a way to navigate around that. And one thing that I found to be super helpful is to actually get your family involved in deciding what to make for dinner during the week. So, very simple. Here is what we do. We sit together on Sunday evening for dinner, and during dinner time, I take out a piece of paper, and then every one of us gets to pick one thing per day. Now, this is probably mirrored for you guys, so you can't probably read it, but on Fridays we always have pizza, so that's a very simple one. And then there's basically 4 days left. Now there's four of us, so everyone gets to pick one day and gets to choose one meal. So for example, Wednesdays, upside down mirror, pancakes. That's what my daughter picks. Probably 90% of the time, she's going to pick pancakes. But you know what? It makes her so happy and my life so much easier. And the best part of it is when you actually prepare the meal that day, they're going to be so proud that it's their turn, it's their big day. And your kids really don't have to be very old for this. What I found is basically as soon as they can talk, as soon as they have an opinion, and we all know they have an opinion very early on, get them involved in preparing meals for the week. All right, this is it. I hope you found this tip helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and shoot me a message if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day. I talk to you soon. Bye.